This is the January RoccaBox. This edit is called Clean Up Your Act, so let's have a little look inside to see what we've received. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have another unboxing for you, and it is this. So this is the January RoccaBox. Let's open it. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over, enjoy my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. I'm going to link a video just here. I've got a future giveaway going on at the moment. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I've got 3 amazing prizes. In that video there is just showing you what those prizes are. The main one being the 2021 glossy advent calendar. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and tell your friends and family about my channel. If they watch a few of my videos, hopefully they'll like my channel and want to subscribe. The quicker we can get to 2,000, the quicker we can get on with the giveaway. So let's open it up. So we have the edit card, and on the edit card it just has information on all the products that are in the box. We have a little sneak peek there at the back. I'll go through that in a moment with you. But yeah, we will be referring to this throughout the video, and I'll just move everything up to the top so we can have a proper sneak peek. There we go, that is your sneak peek there. So if you are interested in subscribing to this box, it's $18.95 per month. You normally get around 5-ish products in here every month. And yeah, I've got a link for you. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box. If you click that link and make your purchase, I'm sure it gets you 20% off the final value, which is always worth it. So you normally get skincare, hair care, beauty tools, makeup and so on in here. And if you get a 3, 6 or a 12-month subscription, you can get that for a slightly reduced rate the longer you buy for. But yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. So just going back to the edit card a moment, it just says here, the name of this edit is called Clean Up Your Act. So that's quite a long note to read. So in short, these 2 paragraphs are just banging on about clean beauty. And then this bottom paragraph says, an induction to brands and products we've discovered on our quest to clean up our beauty kit, and in the process of totally fallen in love with. These are the skin and body care products worth over £81 that have earned their hero status on merit. Look at them as beauty cupboard staples in their own right, and their super clean credentials as a bonus. Okay, so let's get to it. The first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Ameliorate, and it's Transforming Body Lotion. This is a deluxe mini, and the RRP is worth £6. It just says a combination of new recycling packaging, both tubing and boxes, and a dedicated manifesto working towards becoming a plastic and carbon neutral brand. Ameliorate's clean credentials certainly sit firmly in the environmental conscious camp. Its products incorporate science-led formulas and highly effective ingredients that deliver. But don't let that fool you into worrying that they are full of nasties. This cult product has earned an award-winning status for its truly transformative results on dry, bumpy skin. Its ability to inject moisture and exfoliate is second to none. Okay, sounds interesting. I'm sure I've received this in the past in a different box, possibly. That name rings a bell. Okay, so it is open, so let's just have a little tester. So I've just popped a tiny bit on there. It's got a very pleasant smell to it. It's a bit like baby powder with a little mixture of perfume added in. That's the best way I can describe it. But yeah, it smells really nice. It does feel very hydrating, and my skin feels very smooth. Right, so product number 2 is this. The packaging is very plain indeed, but this is by the brand Caprea, and it's Shield Serum with vitamin B3 niacinamide. This is a full-size product, and the RRP for this is £36.90. It just says, discovering this brand was pretty exciting stuff. Authentic sustainability is high up on the priority list when seeking out new brands. And Caprea's products are 100% plantable packaging. Yes, that's right. You can plant Caprea's standard packaging and it will bloom into a flower. Okay, that sounds pretty cool. Although don't try it with your RoccaBox version. These are bespoke to your boxes and not made of the same material. Okay, so yeah, don't be planting these. Look at this best-selling serum as a bodyguard for your face. Packed with niacinamide, it helps your skin grow its ceramide barrier, which then retains moisture and protects against UV damage. Genius stuff. Okay, let's have a little look. This is what the bottle looks like. Right, so there it is there. Feels silky. Feels very soft. I can't smell anything because all I can smell is the body lotion that I've popped on my hand, but never mind. It certainly does feel lovely though. So product number 3, we have this. So this is by the brand Paradoxx and it's a repair game changer hair mask. This is a full size product and it's worth £15, and it just says this hair care line has been created with full ingredient transparency, organic only where possible, and no toxins rule as the commitment to all natural ingredients, aiming to be as close as 100% natural as possible. With each product. 96% natural, this particular high performance leave-in treatment will transform dull, dry, damaged locks, leaving it glossy, replenished, full of life. Cleverly, it can also be used as a finishing cream to smooth frizz and add shine. That's great because I'm actually planning, I want to do more hair care on my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely get this used. I'm sure I've got one of these, but it's just a little one I received a long time ago, but this has made my mind up. I need to actually try it because I haven't tried it yet, but now I've got the full size product. Expect a video on this. So product number 4 we have is this. So it's by the brand Oskia and it's a Renaissance, I can't pronounce that, oh my goodness, cleansing gel. This is a deluxe mini and is worth £16. And it just says Oskia is a homegrown British brand that's pioneering the clean beauty movement with its production of bio-identical molecules that is both environmentally and socially more sustainable. It was love at first cleanse when we discovered this cult cleanser. The silky gel to oil texture makes it a joy to use at the end of the day. It melts away grime, makeup, SPF, deeply cleanses pores and gently lifts away dull, dead skin cells. And yet while it thoroughly cleans and mildly exfoliates, it's also incredibly nourishing and softening, making it ideal to use on dry, sun-damaged skin. A subtle, gentle rose smell, nothing overpowering, just a pleasant hint of a scent. Nice. Completes this award-winning cleanser credentials. Okay, so let's have a little look there. So there it is there. So like I said, yeah, it's a deluxe mini. There's 35 mils in here. Okay, so it's not sealed. I'm surprised at that. Right, so there it is there. It's got like a peachy tone to it. Obviously I know it's a cleanser. I'm just doing this just to see what it feels like. All right, yeah, so there you can see I've just rubbed it, yeah, and it's turned like to an oil. That's cool. That's really cool. Ooh. And yes, it definitely is a mild rose scent. If you don't like roses, you ain't gonna like this, but it's very pleasant. Product number 5, we have this. So this is by the brand Gruum and it's Per Gentle Moisturiser. This is a full size product and it's worth £8. It just says sometimes we don't want to tackle dehydrated skin with a product that's going to drench it and not sink in. Step forward this lovely lightweight moisturiser. It's brilliant at combating dry skin and won't leave oily skin greasy or sensitive skin overwhelmed. It's 96% natural. It's packed with skin-loving chamomile, sage and green tea. All excellent skin smoothers and hydrators and free from nasties such as, wait for it, artificial colours, synthetic fragrances, parabens, sulfates, SLS, EDTA and petrochemicals. Phew. Okay. But yeah, it's a nice little size there for a full size. There's actually 50 mils in there. I didn't think there was 50 mils and they didn't look big enough. So I've just put that there. I've put way too much on, but never mind. Feels nice. It definitely feels lightweight. It's got a bit of a scent there, but nothing. It smells like ointment-ish. But yeah, it's sank in nicely. Yeah, it definitely is lightweight. It feels quite nice actually. So that is it for the products on the edit card. But they have slipped in a little surprise for her, which is this. This is our extra little treat that they've popped in there. So it's by Cocoa Original and it's coconut, light and fresh tasting. So I take it, it doesn't say what it is, it just says coconut. I'm presuming it's coconut milk. It just says dairy and soya free. Let's have a look. Cocoa Original is deliciously light and refreshing in taste. This means that it's terrific in a cup of tea, coffee and superb on cereal. So yeah, it is milk. Delicious in smoothies and awesome just on its own. So there we go, and you get a little straw with it as well if you want to drink it straight away. But yeah, that's nice to get a little treat. I love coconut, so I'm bound to like this too. Right guys, so personally it's an okay little box, if I'm honest. I still don't know if this is worth the price increase that we had a few months ago. Last month I felt that the box had really improved because it was struggling since the price increase, and last month I thought, okay, we're getting there, it was really quite good. This month it sank back down a little bit in my eyes in any way. I'm really excited to try out that hair mask. I love hair masks. And yeah, the Shield Serum and the cleansing gel are really standing out for me. And it's, yeah, nice to get something for free in there too, a little free gift. But yeah, I'm struggling. I don't know how I feel. Is this worth £18.95? I mean, I know obviously one of the products in there is worth 30 odd pounds, but it's not the value of the product that counts, it's what you value it. What do you think of the products? Do you think this is worth it? I'm on the fence. I really am on the fence. I don't know what to think. But just to show you, we have the sneak peek for next month, for February. And it is by the brand Morad, and it's AHA exfoliating cleanser. So yeah, that is the sneak peek for February. So yeah, comment down below, let me know your thoughts, because I really am stuck, really stuck. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.